Children, now let's do some examples related with the laws of the surds and the radicals. These are the very simple ones. So once you will practice, you'll see to it that these are not difficult at all if the concept is very much clear in your mind. See now, 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 plus bracket is there, root 2 minus, this is the question written, right? As there is positive sign, so you just have to add them or subtract them. So the first step is we are going to open the bracket here. As we have opened the bracket, so we're just going to see here is that wherever our irrational factor is same, like here to root 2, and after we have opened the bracket, now we'll see to it that 2 root 2 and root 2, here we are having irrational factor same, so these are the like terms. We can add them, we can subtract them, so we are just going to write them here. Root 2 plus root 2, root 3 and root 3, these are again irrational factors and we can do the operations on it, so we are just going to write it on this side. Now these are the like terms, right? So what we can do here is we are going to add them up according to your laws. So as the root 2 and root 2 is same, what can we do? 2 plus 1, that is 3, and the root 2 will remain the same. This is 3 root 2. What about here? 5 minus root 3 will give us 2, and root 3 will remain as it is. So this is the answer. Children, make sure wherever irrational factors are same, we just have to collect them, bring it to the one side, that is the like terms are to be collected, and if there is nothing written, that means there is 1, so you're just going to add 2 plus 1, right? That is going to give us 3, and root 2 will remain as it is. You can only add or subtract if the irrational factors are same, otherwise you're going to leave the answer as it is. Like here 2 and 3 are the irrational factors, now we cannot add them, so that is why we're going to leave our question here only. Moving on to this side, this is the multiplication question, and here this is root 5 and root 5, that means irrational factor is same, so we can multiply that. And 6 into 2, that is rational is to be multiplied by rational first of all. 6 into 2 is 12. Root 5 into root 5 will give us 5, so 12 into 5 is 60. Getting it? So one division question also. If it is 15 root 21 divided by 3 root 7, so we're just going to write it in this form, you know that. So this is 15 upon 3. We have written it according to using our laws of exponent, 21 by 7, so that we can cancel it to the lowest form. This is 3, and we can cancel only if you're going to write it like this. So 3 5s are 5 root 3. So these type of the questions, addition, multiplication and the division of the surds. This is how you're going to use it, and we'll give you more questions for your extra questions also in the next assignment, so that you should have more practice and you should be able to do. So right now you're going to do all these simple questions and write down laws of the exponents and learn them, do the practice questions given to you, and I'll give you one more extra questions. See, I have given this, I'll click the picture and send it to you. So this is your homework. You're going to do these extra questions, try to do them. These are all the simple exponents, and the next of the laws of the surds and the radicals, questions related to that I'll give you in the next on Wednesday, right? So, and your homework, total homework is you have to do these extra questions. I have written it specifically here also. Do exercise 1.6 in the fair notebook, do extra questions on the rough notebook or on the loose sheets, and write all the laws of the exponents on the fair notebook. I hope I'm clear to you. All the best, stay safe and stay healthy, children.